Well, with spring-like weather surely right around the corner,
Crossed, yeah.
more and more Minnesotans will be stepping outside to enjoy their decks.
But some local deck experts say the weight of those heavy winter snows can seriously compromise deck structures. 5 Eyewitness News reporter Steve Shaw has the story.
This is what Alvin and LaWanda Freeman's outdoor deck looked like after it collapsed with 5 people on it last July. The Freemans were hospitalized with neck and back injuries.
It was scary. It was really scary. Then, you know, the kids was up in there screaming and yelling, and it was scary because I couldn't move when I fell, so.
I still have a fear of going on it because, I mean, from that day, the impact and the incident, it was very shocking.
I think it's a growing concern.
Mark Morshing is a member of the North American Deck and Railing Association, or NADRA. The group says, by its count, there have been at least 13 deck collapses in Minnesota in the past year. He says heavy winter snow is a big factor.
Decks in Minnesota are engineered for about 40 pounds per square foot. And in February, at the height of our snow, if the decks were not shoveled, we're looking at probably 160 pounds per square foot of snow load on these decks. It could really strain these joints between the house and ledger attachment.
Construction experts say 90% of the homes in Minnesota have decks. At least half of those decks are 20 years old or older. Deck expert Joe Stafke says that combination of old decks and lots of snow means people should at least check their decks themselves before they get out there this spring.
They can go to nadra.org, and there's a checklist on there that a homeowner could check on themselves and see if they got the proper connection, or look for some, obvious evidence the deck is falling apart from erosion or rot.
In Coon Rapids, Steve Shaw, 5 Eyewitness News.
Something to think about. If you want more information on whether or not your deck is safe, just head to kstp.com. There you can access a safety checklist. Just click on the links section.